In this video, we'll create a simple but fun project simulating a traffic light system using Arduino and Tinkercad. We all see traffic lights every day. They guide vehicles and pedestrians, ensuring safety and smooth traffic flow. In this video, we'll replicate the working of a basic traffic light system using LEDs and Arduino. This project is simple, yet it teaches us important concepts about timing, sequencing, and automation, core elements of IoT. Here's the setup. We have an Arduino UNO, three LEDs, red, yellow, and green, just like a real traffic light, and resistors. To limit the current, we'll connect each LED to a different Arduino pin and then write a program to control the sequence. A traffic light will follow this cycle. Red on for 5 seconds, car stops. Green on for 5 seconds, car move. Yellow on for 2 seconds, warning. We'll use Arduino's digital write function to switch LEDs on and off and delay off to control timing. And here it is. The green light turns on, then the red light. After a 5 second, the yellow light, just like a real traffic junction. What we just built is a miniature model of real traffic lights. Of course, in actual systems, sensors and controllers are used to adapt timing based on traffic density. But this simple project gives you a hands-on start to building automated systems with Arduino. You can expand this project by adding push buttons for pedestrians crossing or even sensors to detect vehicles, making it smarter. That's it for this video on traffic light simulation. Try building it yourself on Tinkercad and experimenting with different tools. Don't forget to check out our other projects in this series. Thank you so much for watching.